And I'll also say, in the beginning, it feels a bit lonely because you're like that. Not people are not like that. You're like that. So it feels a bit lonely. But here's the thing. As soon as you start to see that loneliness is a thought-created thing that happens, and it does happen, oftentimes when you jump levels of consciousness, loneliness is one of the first reactions. You stay with that and you see that there's absolutely no such thing as loneliness when you're more and more in contact with reality. Like there's so much intimacy with reality, with the present moment, with the world beyond thought. That's what I mean by reality. With truth, which is pure beauty, love, intelligence, oneness. There's no such thing as loneliness. Are you willing to sit with the reaction of loneliness enough to see that, or for it to fall away? That was one of the things I continuously noticed my mind doing. This is not a popular conversation. I'll tell you right now. People want to hear what they want to hear, and we want to say to people what they want to hear in this world. But all that does, as far as I see it, is perpetuate the same level of consciousness that's operating right now. If you're committed more to truth than anything else or anyone else, you bring about a different world because you're walking inside of that different world. You're living that way. And then whatever sharing you're doing or speaking you're doing or showing up you're doing or how you're being or what you're saying, it's all way downstream from that. And it changes the temperature of the room that you're in. Not to say that that's what you're trying to do. It just happens to be one of the things that happens. So going back to who I am, I'll just take myself as an example, but this is you. This is everyone, right? Who you are is truth, something that is unknowable, and you are in a relationship with thought created things that appear in you. And anytime you feel that you are in conflict, try and check in to see if that's what's happening, what I've just mentioned. If it's true, you'll see it. If you look sincerely, you'll see it. If it's not true and you look sincerely, it will be revealed to you that it's not true. You got to look sincerely. As far as I see, it is absolutely true. So you will see it. I've used space as a redundant example, might sound now, but space in this office is in a relationship with everything in it. It has absolutely no conflict because it is space. Although the color, this color might have conflict with that color to your eyes, and this piece of furniture banged up against that piece of furniture is going to have conflict because it is in form. So only things that are in form have conflict. Form, meaning beliefs and opinions, interpretations and judgments, values. It's really insightful to look into this and see if you are nothing, the nothingness, and everything is happening within you, then the only thing in conflict with anything outside of you is the things that are happening within you. It's not you that's in conflict. You identify with who you are more than anything that is appearing within you. Your relationship to what is appearing within you changes for the better. You become more in harmony with whatever appears within you, even if it's something that you don't prefer, because there's less identification with it. And therefore, your relationships with wind, trees, flowers, people, animals, dust, ocean, sunlight, moonlight changes, automatically changes. For the better, you're more in harmony. Harmony is the goal. Harmony is only the goal because we are so much in discord. Harmony is actually not the goal. It is a natural state of being.